One day, Tom's father, he said to Tom, when I get home from work tonight, I want you to give me $5. Tom said, but I don't have any money. His dad said, I don't care. When I get home, I want you to give me $5. And he left for work. Tom started to think, where am I going to get $5 from? So he went to see his uncle and said, Uncle, can I have $5 please? The uncle said, what for? He said, well, my father said I need to give him $5 when I get home, and I don't have any money. So the uncle said, okay, all right, here's $5. He took it, he went home. When he got home later that evening, his father said, Tom, do you have the $5 for me? He said, yes, Dad, here it is. His father took the $5 and he threw it in the fire. Tom said, Dad, why did you do that? His father said, trust me, I know what I'm doing. The following morning, the dad said, Tom, this evening when I come home, I want you to give me $5. Tom said, I don't have any money. He said, I don't care. But when I get home, I want you to give me $5. Okay? He went back to his uncle. He said, Uncle,
Yes.
I need $5 again. The uncle said, okay, but this is the last time. Here. Later that evening, his father came home and said, Tom, do you have the $5 for me? He said, yes, Dad, here it is. He took it, threw it in the fire. Tom said, what are you doing? He said, trust me, I know what I'm doing. The following morning, the dad said, Tom, later when I come home, I want you to give me $5. And he left for work. Tom went to his uncle and said, Uncle, I need $5 again. The uncle said, listen, I can give you some work to do. Clean up the yard, cut the grass, sweep it up, pack it in that heap. If you do it, I'll pay you the $5. Now, Tom was working for hours. He got tired. He went to his uncle and said, Uncle, I'm tired. I can't do anymore. I'm done. The uncle looked at what he did and said, you haven't finished the job, so I'm not going to pay you $5. But I'll give you $3. Tom said, but I need $5. Said, yes, but you didn't finish. I'm only going to give you $3. Later, his father came home. Father said, Tom, do you have $5 for me? Tom said, no, but I only have $3. Father said, okay, I'll take the $3. He gave him the $3. He took it. As he was about to throw it in the fire, Tom jumped on him and said, no, Dad, you can't do that. If you carry your own water, you'll know the value of every drop.